Well, here we are. We got this thing, the chimney stovepipe removed from it right now. I'm going to look down inside the swirl chamber here. I just ran a brush through that passage there, so that's all nice and cleaned out. You can see the bottom, there's a light down in the bottom of the ash pit there, so you can see the cone still sealed up. Look inside. There's the bottom of the cone. Trying to do this real quick so the fire doesn't go out, so it's still plenty hot in there. Took the stovepipe out, blew it out with compressed air real good. Okay, so now we're all ready to seal things up and put it back there. Oh, one other thing. Probably can't see anything in there, but try to take a quick look at the plate that blocks partially the swirl chamber from the combustion chamber here. It looks okay. It doesn't seem like anything's stuck in there, so hopefully this will work when we put it back together.